How to reset Temu account's password. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will see the option of Shannon. Tap on that option. Now over here you will need to type in your email or phone number that is linked with your Temu account. After you type in the email address, tap on the option Continue. Now here you're going to see this option of Forget Password. Tap on it. Confirm your email and we will send a password reset code. Check your email and then tap on the option of Submit. Now you will be receiving code in the email address that you have just entered. You have to put the code over here. Now from this page you can easily generate new password for your Temu account. After you are done, tap on the option of Submit. Your password has been reset. Tap on Continue Shopping. So this is how you can easily reset Temu account's password. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.